after completion of what is ideal solutions and non-ideal solutions, non-ideal solutions with positive deviation and negative deviation, then today we are going to discuss about azeotropic mixtures. Azeotropic mixtures. So what are the azeotropic mixtures? A binary mixture which cannot be resolved. Okay, it cannot be resolved into components by distillation. What is by distillation is called azeotrope or azeotropic mixture. Azeotrope or azeotropic mixture. Once again, azeotropic mixture means a binary solution which cannot be resolved into components by distillation is called azeotrope or azeotropic mixture. Now, azeotropic mixtures, characteristic properties of the azeotropic mixtures. Azeotropic mixture, okay. So then generally azeotropic mixtures are basically non-ideal solutions, or basically non-ideal solutions, okay. So then it is the first property. So now second property is generally azeotropic mixtures, they have same composition in vapor phase as well as liquid phase. So azeotropic mixtures, it means they have same composition in liquid phase and also vapor phase. Okay, so these are the characteristic properties of the azeotropic mixtures. So azeotropic mixtures are basically non-ideal solutions, and also azeotropic mixtures, they have same composition in liquid phase as well as vapor phase. So now after completion of the characteristic properties of the azeotropic mixtures, then the classification or types of the azeotropic mixtures. So the types of the azeotropic mixtures. So now azeotropic mixtures, azeotropic mixture. So these are classified into two types. So then one is maximum boiling point azeotropes. So these are classified into two types. So then one is maximum boiling point azeotropes. Second one is minimum boiling point azeotropes. So then the types of the azeotropic mixtures are two types, maximum boiling point azeotrophs, and the second one is minimum boiling point azeotrophs. So now it is explained with, these are explained with suitable examples. So for example, let us consider a binary mixture, that is the mixture of nitric acid and water. So then what is nitric acid plus water? Nitric acid plus water. So nitric acid is the HNO3 plus water is H2O. So now this binary mixture, the mixture of the nitric acid and water with what is with 68% HNO3 nitric acid by mass. What is by mass? It is the best example of maximum boiling point azeotrophs. Nitric acid plus water, HNO3 plus H2O. So this mixture with 68% HNO3 by mass is the best example of maximum boiling point of azeotrophs. So now second one is minimum boiling point azeotrophs. So now best example of this type of azeotrophs is, so generally sucrose, it means cane sugar, it is converted into alcohols by the molasses process by fermentation. So now let us consider fermented. What is fermented? Fermented sucrose or sugar. Fermented sugar means simply sucrose. It is C12H22O11. It's molecular formula. So fermented sugar, it is converted into rectified spirit. What is it? Is converted into rectified spirit. In these fermented sugar, so then 95%, what is 95% of ethyl alcohol is the C2H5OH, or its common name is ethyl alcohol, IUPAC name is ethanol. So then 95% ethyl alcohol by volume. It is the best example of minimum boiling point. What is minimum boiling point azeotrophs? So generally maximum boiling point azeotrophs show a large negative deviation. So what is these show? So azeotropic mixtures of maximum boiling points show a large what is a large negative deviation from Raoult's law. What is from Raoult's law? So it is the important point. So maximum boiling point azeotropic means the solutions which show a large negative deviation from Raoult's law is called maximum boiling point azeotrophs. Same as the solutions which show a large positive deviation, okay, positive deviation from Raoult's law is called minimum boiling point azeotrophs. So it is the phenomenon about azeotropic mixtures. So azeotropic mixtures means a binary mixture which cannot be resolved into components by distillation is called azeotrope or azeotropic mixtures. Okay, generally azeotropic mixtures are basically non-ideal solutions And also by azeotropic mixtures, they have same composition in liquid phase as well as vapor phase. So azeotropic mixtures are two types. One is maximum boiling point azeotropes. It means the solutions which show a large negative deviation from Raoult's law is called maximum boiling point azeotropes. The solutions which show a large positive deviation from Raoult's law is called minimum boiling point azeotropes. So maximum boiling point azeotrope example is a binary mixture of nitric acid and water. This mixture with 68% nitric acid by mass. So then best example of the minimum boiling point azeotropes is fermented sugar. It is converted into rectified spirit. Fermented sugar, it is converted into rectified spirit. In this fermented sugar with 95% ethyl alcohol by volume. So it is the concept about azeotropic mixtures. So then after completion of the azeotropic mixtures, so then we are going to discuss about colligative properties. What are colligative properties? So generally colligative properties are mainly four types. One is relative lowering vapor pressure of solution. Second one is depression of freezing point. Third one is elevation of boiling points. And fourth one is osmotic pressure. So then now explain colligative properties. What is colligative properties? Okay, colligative properties. Okay, colligative properties means aqueous solutions physical and chemical properties are depends on nature of solute and structure of the solutes. So now aqueous solutions physical and chemical properties depends on nature. What is it? Nature and structure of solutes. Nature and structure of solute. What is structure of solute? So aqueous solutions physical and chemical properties depends on nature and structure of solute. So generally, for example, let us consider some solutions, the properties of the solutions. So now properties of solution depends on number of particles of solute. So it means number of particles means ions and molecules.